Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create an online quiz using AI. This tool makes it super easy to create engaging quizzes, which you can use on your website, social media, or even in emails to boost lead generation. If you want to follow along, there's a link in the description that will take you to Meiro's website, where you can sign up for free. Make sure to watch the entire video to understand the complete process. So, let's dive right into it. First, head to the Meiro website by clicking the link in the description. Once you're there, click Get Started. It's free to create your account. The process is simple. Just enter your email, choose a password, or you can sign in directly with your Google account. Once you've entered your credentials, the sign-up process will be completed and you'll be taken to the Meiro dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see a variety of options. But let's start with the Create New Quiz button. Here, you will see two different options. You can either create a test or quiz with AI, or you can create it manually from scratch. You'll also notice a text-based game option, which is not available yet, but will be soon. Since we want to create a quiz, let's stick with the first option and select Create with AI. Next, you need to choose from one of the file types. Select from which type of file you want to create your quiz. You can create one from a prompt, text, file, link, or video. Since Meiro uses AI to generate quizzes from simple prompts, I'll click on the prompt option. Next, choose the challenge type. You will see two options in front of you, a score-based or an answer-based quiz. If you want more information about these quiz types, you can click on Challenge Types Guide, which will take you to a page where you can read more about both types. Once you've decided, go back and select your preferred type. Here, I want results based on scores, so I'll select the score-based challenge. Now, this is where the magic happens. Let's go ahead and create a quiz. First, start with your subject. Here, I'm going to create a quiz about London. So, in the prompt box, I'll write something like Quiz about London covering its history, famous people, events, and anecdotes. After entering the prompt, choose your language. English is already selected, so I'll hit Next Step. Now, Meiro will ask you to choose options like how many questions you want in the quiz. You can add up to 15 questions, but if you want to add more, you'll need to upgrade your account. Here, I'm going to choose 10 questions. Next, you can select the number of answer choices. I'll go with 4 possible answer choices per question. Select if you want single or multiple choice questions. You can also choose the number of results. Here, I'll go with 4 results. We're done with the second step now, so click Next to proceed. In the third step, you need to confirm your details. For difficulty, let's set it to medium. You can also choose a Meiro AI model. Click on that and you will see a bunch of different models. Let's stick with the latest and most powerful one. You can adjust these settings based on the type of quiz you're creating. Next, let's select the tone of the quiz. Meiro gives you a few options like funny, serious, or casual. I'll keep it as doesn't matter for now. Once that's done, hit Next to continue. Now it's time to create the quiz cover. You can either upload an image or generate one using AI. If you don't want to add a cover image, you can check the box at the top that says Skip this step and generate the challenge without an image. But since I want a cover image, I'll type in the box London City and ask the AI to create a photographic image. Below the box, you'll have the option for a negative prompt. Add any negative prompts to exclude those elements from the image. Next, you can choose a style for the image, like photogenic, digital art, and more. I'll choose photogenic here and then click on Start AI Magic. You'll see that your image is being generated. After a few seconds, the cover image is ready and it looks great. At this point, Meiro has generated the entire quiz for us. You can preview it by clicking on Preview. Here, you'll see the cover page, the quiz questions, and the answers. You can also view the results page, which shows different scoring ranges like novice, enthusiast, expert, and historian based on how many correct answers you get. Let's go a bit further and add a lead form. This is useful if you're using the quiz for lead generation. To add the form, click Add New Block and select Lead Form. You can ask for basic information like name and email. You can add more fields if needed, but for now, I'll stick with name and email. Once the lead form is added, it will appear at the end of the quiz, so when users complete the quiz, they can submit their contact details. This is a powerful way to build your email list. With everything set up, we're ready to publish the quiz. Click Publish, and Meiro will give you a shareable link. Let's take a quick look at the quiz by opening the link. The quiz looks great, and the questions are ready to go. Let me walk you through a few questions. For example, one of the questions asks, which famous landmark in London was once a prison? The answer is the Tower of London. Another question asks, which river runs through the City of London? That would be the Thames. Proceed to solve all the questions like this. As you go through the quiz, Meiro automatically tracks your progress. Once you've completed the quiz, fill out the lead form by entering your name and email. Then, the results page will appear, showing you your score and giving you a description based on how well you did. For example, if you scored high, you might see something like, "Congratulations." But here, I only answered 5 questions correctly. At the end of the quiz, you'll see different options to share it on social media like X, Facebook, LinkedIn, and more. This makes it easy to share your quiz across various platforms. You can also embed the quiz. Go to the Meiro dashboard and click on Share and Embed. Here, you can use the embed code provided for your website. There's also an option to share the results of your quiz, which can encourage more people to take it. Now that the quiz is live, let's check out the analytics. In the dashboard, you can see data like how many people started the quiz, how many completed it, their average score, and even their contact details if they submitted them via the lead form. This is especially useful for tracking engagement and optimizing your quiz for better performance. One more thing to mention is the custom domain option. You can customize your challenge URLs by adding your custom domain too. Another great feature of Meiro AI is integration. Go to the Integrations tab in Meiro's dashboard. Here, you'll find various integrations like Google Sheets, email, webhook, and more to connect your challenge data and analytics. Lastly, go back to the Challenges section, where you'll see all your created quizzes. You can check if it's published, if it's score-based, the date of publication, and the number of viewers. So, that's how simple it is to create a quiz with Meiro. We went from sign up to publishing a quiz in just a few minutes, and now it's ready to be shared and used to engage your audience. If you're interested in trying Meiro, don't forget to click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.